Print Canon MX496 is a high-performance all-in-one printer, while still offering a stylish solution for the home office. With the convenience of wireless connectivity, this model showcasing Google Cloud Print connectivity, mobile and tablet printing and scanning, high-speed AT for fast printing, copying, scanning and faxing. Featuring a hybrid ink system, and maximum 4800 x 1200 dpi resolution, the MX496 produces the finest quality prints, in approximately 8.8 mm in black and 4.4 mm in color. Printer with multiple functions that you can find for about $115 from your nearest electrical retailer, and it can do things such as connect to Wi-Fi and allow you to print through the internet, in addition to more traditional things such allowing you to print out photos and scan documents. This printer is an exercise in awkwardness compared to many other printers. The black PG645 and color CL646 cartridges need to be pushed into the print head, which is accessible by dropping the front door, and you need to crane your neck so that you can see it. The cartridges don't go in smoothly, though they are guided to where they need to go, and you have to apply some force to get them to click into place. Windows compatible Windows 10 64-bit, Windows 8.1 32-bit, Windows 8.1 64-bit, Windows 8 32-bit, Windows 8 64-bit, Windows 7 32-bit, Windows 7 64-bit, Windows XP 32-bit, Windows XP 64-bit, Windows Vista 32-bit, Windows Vista 64-bit.